Good evening, folks. The word immediately might be superfluous. To me, it seems like a necessary word, but we'll see what you think. This is in the ilk of direct translation. We have 25 consecutive integers, and I guess we can assume they're positive since they sum to 1100. Although that's not really true, is it? Maybe I should say positive integers, I don't know. But we're supposed to find the value of n that these 25 consecutive integers start at, or after, if you will. So direct translation is a word problem technique. You directly translate the English into mathematics, and this is what I'm getting right here, folks. After n, okay, well, here's our n. I didn't make it red down here, but n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3 is 25 consecutive integers immediately after n. Okay, now the given states that the sum of these 25 consecutive integers is 1100. So you see, this just turns into an equation, one unknown. So let's see what happens here. Now we do know that we have 25 copies of n, right? So I'll write down 25n. Also, we have the sum of the first 25 integers, which is called a triangular number. Recall that that's the same thing as doing this. Very popular result. You take the last integer, increment it, multiply, and divide by 2. Okay, this is all equal to 1100. 1100. And let's see about the arithmetic here. This would be 25n and this thing's guaranteed to be an integer because two consecutive numbers is always going to be, oh, that's divided by, that's bad there. Eraser time. That should be 2. So I'll put 2 right here. Yeah, I was about to say that this result always returns an integer since two consecutive numbers, one of them has to be even, okay? So we have 25 times 13 here. What is that? Is that 325? 25 times 12 is 300, right? So I think that's 325 equals to 1100. Can we handle this arithmetic in our heads? Let's hope so. 25n. So if you subtract 325 from, that would be 775. 775. Now this isn't as bad as it looks. 30 times 25 is 750. So 30 times 25 is 750, so 31 times 25 is 750 plus 25. So this would be n equals 31 to answer the question. N equals 31. Answer. Now, so this is one question I could have asked. I could have asked for the sum of the integers prior, immediately prior to n also, which was a contest problem, I think, a while back, a long time ago. But anyway, I just asked for n. But again, you can answer more questions like what is the sum of the 25 consecutive integers immediately preceding n? Okay. But anyway, n equals 31 is the solution. Keep up that juggling. N equals 31 while we're here. This is far more impressive than this.